Here's where the ditch is. This is where she parked at.
But it's not.
Those are the
She's parked a
dumpers.
little closer to it.
She's parked a little closer to it.
She pulled up right here. And she came around the car.
This is the walk to the store.
She stepped in.
And the store is 7-Eleven. You can see right there. The walk from the door to the car. Walking around the car. The ditch that she fractured her ankle in.
Go look
Front
at
door.
them ditches when you first drive in here too.
Alright.
That's going to show that they're really negligent about the parking.